Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to install Voicemod voice changer on PC in easy way. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps in this process. Now let's jump into the video. So the first thing we need to do is open up your computer web browser. You need to go to Google and you just need to search for Voicemod. Once you've done doing that, make sure you're going to www.voicemod.net, which is their official website. Don't go and download it from any other website. So once you're on Voicemod website, you can see it's a free real-time voice changer for online games. It works on Discord and all different platforms and games. It's good also for YouTube. And to go to download it, if you want to click Get Voicemod Free, which is then going to download and install, the installation wizard down here to your computer. So after downloaded, we can just go and run the installation, and it's a very simple installation, to be honest. Just choose your language, click OK, then it's going to load up Voicemod here. You can click Next, you want to agree to the terms, and you can then choose where you want the Voicemod to be installed. Click again, just follow this all. Click Next and install. Once you've done that, click Finish and then Voicemod should be installed. And then here, as you can see, you're going to log in either Discord, Twitch, or Google. I'm just to click on Discord. Here, then going to open Discord and sign in your Discord account and then authorize Voicemod. Once it's all authorized, open Voicemod app, click on Open Voicemod. Now we can choose our microphone, so we can go choose microphone. What we normally use, and you can choose your headphones so you can listen to the voice. And then click continue and start using it. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.